Hey folks! Welcome back to Contexted Dev, where we take confusing dev stuff and make it slightly less confusing. Today, we're diving into some of the most important front-end concepts you need to understand if you're new to web dev. We're talking components, state, reactivity, and JSX. Let's unpack these one by one without frying your brain circuits. Alright, let's start with components, the Legos of a web page. You see that website you scroll every day? It's not one giant file, it's a bunch of small pieces working together. Each piece, like a navbar, button, sidebar, or card, is called a component. Think of it like this. Instead of building an entire house out of one massive chunk of concrete, which would be a nightmare, you build it brick by brick, and each brick can be reused anywhere. In the same way, developers break a website into reusable chunks. That's why the same Sign Up button looks identical on 5 different pages. It's the same component being reused. Here's a tiny example of a button component. Now you can reuse this same button component anywhere. Same code, different purpose. Clean and easy. If you update the button component, say you change its color, it updates everywhere it's used. That's reusability and consistency, the 2 words that make front-end developers sleep better at night. Awesome. Now that you've built your shiny components, let's talk about state. Basically, your app's memory. Think of state as the current condition of your app. When you click like on a post, toggle dark mode, or type in a form, that changing info is state. Your website needs to remember what's happening right now, not just when it first loaded. That's what state does. It stores and updates values that can change while the app is running. But here's the magic part. Reactivity. Reactivity means your UI automatically reacts when state changes. Like when you press the like button, the counter instantly goes up without reloading the page. That's reactivity in action. It's like having a smart assistant watching your data and saying, "Oh, the number changed? Cool, let me update the screen." Here's a quick example in React. Every click updates the state count, and React reacts by updating what you see. No refresh, no chaos. That's state plus reactivity, the heartbeat of modern front-end apps. Alright, let's talk about JSX, the weird-looking stuff. So you decided to learn React, or something React-like, and suddenly you see HTML inside your JavaScript file, like this. Here's the thing, JSX stands for JavaScript XML, and it's basically HTML with superpowers. It lets you write UI elements like div, button, header, right inside your JavaScript code while still being able to use logic, variables, and conditions. Okay, that's it guys, subscribe!